Okay, so coming out of that last bridge, you've got so it's basically the same. You can see at the end there's that final little rundown, which was just open A, G, third fret on the E, and then first fret on the E. So at the end of it, the only other difference is you're bending on the 1, as opposed to going. So if you listen to it, you'll hear that. Again, it's probably optional. If you want to do it, go ahead and do it. If you don't, then don't worry about it. But if you listen to Tommy play it, that's how he's done it. So that's the only other difference there. Once you do that little walk down, back, so back to. Stay there. So you do that twice, and then that's just going to exactly the same, but you're doing it over an F to an A minor. So you do the open G, hammer down, and play the first fret on the F, and then play the D and the B on the F, to a G, play the third fret on the E, open B, open G, open D, back to A minor. It's just a lovely little touch. Yeah, that's all. And then you strum. So twice into an F chord, to a G, and then you get. Okay, so this is just descending 7th notes. B flat 7, A flat, sorry, B flat 7, A7, A flat 7, G7, G flat 7, F7, and then. So I'm playing this shape, you know, it's like a D shape picked up. If you think of a 7th chord like this. So for the B flat, I'm playing 6 on the D, 7 on the G, and 6 on the B. And just chromatically walk that down to the first fret. Okay, pretty easy. Then we have this interesting chord, and it's probably got a whole bunch of different names. This, in fact, I'm sure it has, but I've called it a G sus4/A. Here's your G sus4, and then A flat. Sorry, and then there's your A flat. So G sus4/A flat is what I've called it. So that's 3, 3 on the high E and the B, and then 5 on the G, and then 6 on the D. Okay, so you come down, grab that chord, put this bass note in of G flat, 4th fret, open A string, and then you have this chord here. So this is like an A minor 9 with a 13 in it. So anyway, I'm playing the 7 on the D, the 5 on the G, and then the 7 on the B, and the 7 on the high E. So interval wise, you've got a root, minor third, you've got your 6, and then your 9 there. So minor 13, add 9, something like that. And that's your chord. So play the bass and then do what you want. It's the end of the song. I tend to do this because I really like that little thing. I'm just taking the pad of my finger, just kind of stroke the strings. I do it all the time. You're home and dry. Or you can do the Spanish run like that. Whatever you want to do. But there you go, that's how you play Windy and Warm. Not only incredibly hard to play, but incredibly hard to teach. I really hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Thanks a lot.